Hey guys,
Look at them.
And today we're gonna be doing a YouTube video. So we're gonna be making a little fidget spinner. So you see these pots right here.
By the way, guys, we're on the bed. Well, he's on his bed.
See, this is the piece you need to make it pin, and you need these pieces, these flat pieces. Put them right here. And then there's your little fidget spinner.
Is that all?
No. Okay. And you can make it big if you want. It's simple. So I take this apart. There we go. And put them on here. You can make it bigger than this if you want. So you guys. And then there's a bit of it now.
Is that all?
No.
No. Okay.
And then you add this piece.
So basically, you're just adding the pieces up to make it bigger. So it's pretty simple.
Yeah. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. I built it up. And
are you done? So you have one left. You have a piece right there.
I know. One of the reasons this is a piece, and that is how you make it. Bye guys.